Hi, Quick Fixers! So I'm so excited to say Quick Fixers. I did this poll on what I should call my community, and it's Quick Fixers. So what's up, Quick Fixers? As you know, I'm obsessed with your comments and what you guys are asking of me and what you want to see. And a lot of you guys want to see what I eat in a day. So I'm going to show you some of the things I might eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I'll also throw in some snacks as well. So check it out. So, breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day. I know that sounds very cliche, but I mean, if you're getting 8 to 12 hours of sleep, maybe not 12, me certainly not, maybe more like 4, 4 hours. But anyway, you haven't eaten, you haven't hydrated yourself. So it is really important for you to eat something in the morning. And the meals that I like to make, it has to be easy, quick, and practical. What I like to do is I just like to kind of throw everything in a mixing bowl. I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and I have overnight oats for breakfast that I can even take with me on the go. So let me show you guys how I do this. I have a banana here, and basically what I do is I just kind of mash up the banana. I love bananas in my oats, mainly because, I mean, you have the potassium, so it's good for you, but it also adds a nice texture. It makes it creamy. I'm gonna add some old-fashioned rolled oats. There we go. Gonna add some maple syrup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Make sure we get all of that in there. I'm gonna add some yogurt. You can use any type of yogurt. You can use coconut yogurt, you can use soy yogurt. I'm gonna add some chia seeds. Chia seeds are really high in fiber. I'm gonna add some almond milk. Mix all of this together, just like that. I'm gonna put this mixture in the refrigerator overnight, and what you'll see is this mixture will start to thicken. And these are like really cute mason jars. And I like using these because they're great on the go. One thing that I learned from college, I went to Pepperdine University, whoop whoop, go Waves. A professor had told me before any exam, make sure you load up on carbohydrates because it helps you focus. Oats are high in carbohydrates, so it's gonna help me focus throughout the day. So you know I love all things pretty. So I'm gonna add some fruit to this, like some strawberries. Strawberries are so pretty. Not only that, they're high in antioxidants. They're just really, really good for you. And then I'm gonna add some more bananas. I love me some bananas. High in potassium. They're also very filling. You'll have this for breakfast. It'll last you throughout the morning. And then I'm just gonna throw it in the refrigerator overnight, and in the morning, that's all I have to do is eat it. So the oats have absorbed all of the liquid in there, adding so much flavor to this. It's nice and it's thick. You can eat it just like this. I like to add granola because I just love adding another layer of texture to it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of granola on top, and voila. It's easy, delicious, energizing, and it's also good for you. All right, guys, so here's a little secret. I am a snacker, like, you know those closet snackers? Like in the middle of the night, you'll just kind of go into the pantry and just start eating everything. That's me. I am trying to make healthier choices, so I like to snack on chips and guacamole. I love guacamole. Oh my gosh, just avocado, I love you. What I have right here are some baked tortilla chips as opposed to fried. I'll throw them in the oven at 425 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'll add some olive oil on that, some salt. I just go ahead and then throw them on a plate. I'm gonna be really honest with you, sometimes they don't even make it on a plate. I just eat them like straight from the sheet pan. Dip it in some guac, and guess what? I am happy! I don't know what it is about chips and guacamole, man. It just makes me happy, and I know that I'm not alone with this. Let me know in the comments below if you love to snack on chips and guacamole as well. There we go. I am having a chip and guacamole party by myself. All right, so cruising on into the day. Next up is lunch. So for lunch, I always like to eat something hearty, but not too hearty because I don't want it to weigh me down throughout the day. So what I like to have for lunch are pastas with some proteins. So in front of me is my chicken pasta with pesto. Right here in my blender, I'm gonna make my pesto sauce, and I have some basil with some walnuts, avocado. If you want the full recipe, click the description below. I'm just gonna turn it on and just blend it. So what's interesting about this pesto sauce is instead of using olive oil, I just used avocado. The avocado is adding great fats and the richness and creaminess to this pesto sauce. So I've added my pesto sauce to my wheat pasta. I'm just making a healthier choice by using whole wheat pasta. And again, this is just really nice and easy because mama got things to do throughout the day. Okay? Maybe I should make a song. Mama got things to do all day, okay? Staying on my healthy trend, I'm just gonna add all of the spinach like that. And then, like I said, I love to add some protein to my pasta just to keep me going and to keep me energized. So this is just some chicken that I grilled and I just, cooked it in some olive oil and some salt and pepper. I just love this dish because I see a lot of green, right? And whenever I see a lot of green ingredients on my plate, I know that I'm doing my body good. So this is quick, it's delicious, it's easy, and it's something that I would typically have for lunch. It holds very well in the refrigerator. So what I have left over, I just throw it in the fridge and I'll eat it the next day. So it's snack time again, and usually I like to have something sweet around this time, and instead of having something sweet like a candy bar, I'll go ahead and snack on some fruit. I live a very busy, hectic, but fun lifestyle, and with that said, I like to get fruit that's already cut for you. So I have some watermelon in front of me, and to that, I'm just gonna add juice from a lime, just like that. The watermelon, it's nice and sweet. The lime juice is gonna give it a nice tang-tang. Remember I made that word up, tang-tang? That's like one of my favorite words right now. Tang-tang, go figure. Then I'm gonna add some feta. Just kind of sprinkle some feta on top. Get that sweet and saltiness. Then I'm gonna add some mint. Just kind of sprinkle a little bit on there. And then I always love to add a little bit of salt to my fruit. The salt actually brings out the sweetness. Sometimes for a snack, I'll have just watermelon or a banana or a mango, but sometimes I just like to add a little personality and change it up a little bit. So a typical dinner for me would be fish and veggies. Fish of any kind and any kind of veggies. Right in front of me, I have some arugula, so that's kind of like the veggie option here. And to that, I'm gonna add some quinoa. A lot of people actually don't realize you can add quinoa to a salad. Great protein, and it's really good for you. So I'm just gonna add some of that in there. I was introduced to quinoa probably like about maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I never even knew what it was. I didn't even know how to pronounce it. I was like, what? Quinoa? Like, what is that? It is a very healthy grain. It's a grain that's actually easy to digest. It's a digestible grain. I'm gonna add some blueberries. I love blueberries. They don't have loads of calories, and not only that, they're high in antioxidants, and they're just really good for you. And it makes this dish really pretty. You know how much I love my pretty dishes. One thing that I love about this dressing is there's not a lot of additives in there. I mean, it's very simple. It's just balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper, and you can just put how much of whatever you want in the salad. You can do it to your liking. I'm gonna add some balsamic vinegar. There we go. Olive oil, there we go. I'm gonna add some salt. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. And then just kind of toss my salad. All right, so my salad is ready. That was really nice and easy. It looks beautiful. And the final touch, or what I like to add to my salad, is some salmon. So what I've done here is I've baked my salmon and I've just rubbed it with Dijon mustard and maple syrup, and salt and pepper, and olive oil. And oh, Look at that. This is healthy, it's filling, it's easy, and it's delicious. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is what I eat in a typical day. All right, guys, there you have it. This is what I typically eat in a day. And let me know in the comments below what you eat. And make sure you hit that button and subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. And I'll see you next week. Bye.